Okay, this could be Carly's sock right here with the stains and the dirt on it. But it's not her sock. It does belong to our consumer advocate, though, Kelly Wagner. Not your sock,
it's not
either,
mine.
Your son's.
My feet are way bigger than that. I'm here to air out my dirty laundry today. These disgusting.
It's a daytime exclusive.
This is completely embarrassing, really. When I look at really up close how dirty my son's socks are, but you get home, he takes off his shoes, and there's sand falling out of them from the playground. But
and that's typical, I think, of most kids, and especially this time of year. I mean, I have daughters who occasionally forget to put their shoes on before they go out the door, so they come in with the black on the bottom of the socks.
All the time. So, and I'm bad about actually pre-treating anything. I throw it in the washer and walk away most of the time. So I thought, you know, it's time to check out which stain removers actually can work and, you know, which ones don't. So I started with just a regular old dirty sock of Ryan's, my son's, with the regular, you know, playground dirt on the bottom. And then I added at the top, for interest, a little bit of red wine. Because, you know, he gets into the red wine often. But no, just as an example to sort of show, because that's obviously
a tough stain to
the
get
tough
out.
one
That's
to get out.
one.
Yeah, for sure.
Okay.
And basically, the bottom line is treat your stains quick. That's the biggest key. But of course, you never stain your things when you're next to your washing machine, right? It's always you're on the way to work, you spill your coffee on your sweater, you're at a party, you spill some wine somewhere. Exactly. So that never happens. So that's the example we have here. These are not quickly treated stains. These are socks that have been sitting and washed without treatment for...
And you do see a little bit of result, but still that gray sort of dinginess at the bottom of them.
Exactly. It's pretty, it's hard to get out once you haven't been treating them all the way through. But
now, there were 3 products that you took a look at specifically. These are probably the big 3.
Exactly. These are the kind of the top ones that are common out there. Spray and wash was actually, I discovered, the very first laundry stain remover that was kind of created way back. Shout is another in a trigger spray, and then OxyClean is one that you have to mix with water. And the main difference between OxyClean and the other ones essentially is that OxyClean is apparently formulated with an oxygen blend that is targeted to, well, I sound like an infomercial now. It's targeted to treat the stain and not the fabric, where the other ones can affect the actual fabric.
Now, we've had such a busy show, we do not have a lot of time, but with the 3 of them,
bottom line, all these manufacturers actually make products with oxygen cleaners in them now, and that was the best one. You can, I don't know if you can kind of see the comparison with the lighting here, but the OxyClean, the one where you leave it sit overnight, absolutely came through with the best results. When you look at the original stain to the how it came out at the end, the oxygen cleaners seem to work the best.
Pre-treatment is a must.
Yeah, pre-treatment, treat it quick.
All right, thanks, Kelly. We'll be back with more in just a moment.